I want to change the text of your nickname to the text entered in the text field when I click the OK button. Select the OK button and add a click interaction. Add a set text action. Choose your nickname. There is an X icon next to the value input, which means function. Click on it to pop up an edit text window. You can see that it is mainly divided into two parts. Click on the Add Local Variables button and add a line of expressions, where the text of LVR1 represents local variable 1. In the drop list in the second column, select Widget. Then select Text field in the drop list in the third column. Delete the text in the input above. Here we will input the function expression. Click on Insert Variable or Function, and in the drop list, you can see various functions. The meanings of these functions can be found on AxureBoutique.com, or you can also Google them. We select the local variable LVR1 we just set, and then add .text to represent the text of the text field. Click OK, and preview the prototype. We type Axure Boutique into the text field, click the OK button, and the text below will also change to Axure Boutique. Then we pass the text to another page through global variables. Delete the set interactions in text. Select the button, Add Click Interaction. Select Set Variable Value and click Add Variable. In the pop-up window, we can see the default global variable. We click the Add button to add a new global variable. Change its name to nickname. Then we select nickname in the Set Variable Value drop list. Select Text on Widget in the Set to Drop list, and select Text field in the Target drop list. Then add an Open Link action, and select the Welcome page. Go to the Welcome page and change the name text to nickname. Click on the page and add Page Loaded interaction. Select Set Text, then select Nickname as the target. Select Value of Variable from the Set to Drop list. Then select the nickname global variable. Return to page 1 and preview the prototype. We input Axure Boutique and click the OK button. At the top of another page, the text also changes to Axure Boutique.